Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use one-handed mode in OPPO A58 smartphone. Okay, to use one-handed mode, first open an application. Okay, now swipe down to the bottom to go in one-handed mode like this, and tap outside to again go in full screen mode. Just swipe down at the bottom of the screen like this to go in one-handed mode, and swipe outside of the screen to go in full screen mode. You can see this is the really easy method. Just swipe down to the bottom of the screen to go in one-handed mode, and tap outside to again go in full screen mode. You can see this is the really easy method to use one-handed mode in OPPO A58 smartphone. You can see swipe down to the bottom of the screen and tap outside to again go in full screen mode. So guys, this is the method to use one-handed mode in OPPO A58 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.